This slab sat at our shop for 2 years because nobody wanted this thing. It's cracked, it's cupped, it's got weird color, and it is structurally doomed because it literally fell in half. So I made it into this. And I'm going to show you how I did this. So welcome back. My name is Mark. I'm from Woodworkers Source, and this is African Padauk. Normally this is this bright orange, really clean wood, but this piece is different. It's a huge old slice off of a big old tree. It's 32 inches wide. It's almost 3 inches thick. You got sapwood running down both sides. The problem with it is its stability. It's got deep cracks. It's cupped. It's got wormholes in the sapwood, it's got weird color, and it's about to fall apart, so that's why it just sat. When I brought it home, I knew I couldn't use it whole. That crack had already made the decision, so I just leaned hard into it. I flipped the edges toward each other, glued the sapwood together, and because those edges are so straight, it looks less like a river table and more like a Le Mans racing stripe. And from there, it's just problem solving, so I'm going to take you through it. With the circle already established, I knew exactly where I can and can't place joinery. So this is what gives me a safe zone, right? So I cut 6 mortises for loose tenons and just start the assembly. 6 felt good, 6 looked right, it didn't need a spreadsheet, didn't need a formula, this is just an experience thing. 2 rows of 3 give the table really good resistance to deflection, and it keeps the joint from racking. I'm also intentionally not joining this into a perfect seamless glue line here. I'm trying to preserve that natural jagged character between the two pieces. So the goal at this stage is just make it stout and then assess later if it needs more reinforcement. And once the glue dries, I trim off the excess length. So there's nothing strategic really about this cut. It just makes it easier to handle. And it also saves time on the guys when we send it down to the shop to get this flattened. So speaking of that, I am really not equipped to flatten this thing in my garage. So that's why I'm taking it down to the shop. These incredibly good looking and charming guys run it through the wide belt sander and they make passes until it's flat and consistent at 80 grit. And I'll say this, a lot of people don't realize services like this even exist, but we actually offer it at all of our locations. Anyway, 15-20 minutes later, it's flat, sanded, and it is ready to move forward. Back from the shop, I rough in the circle one more time just to reestablish my boundaries here. At this point, I do decide that I want a little more reinforcement underneath, so I route shallow channels in the bottom to accept some little strips, about 3/4 of an inch thick. I made a quick jig for cutting these slots, but it's too small to clamp effectively. It's just an oversight when I made it. I just didn't think of it. So using double-sided tape, that's an option, but I like hot melt glue even better. It's fast, it's strong, holds well, and it pops off clean. But here's the trick, is you need a little acetone. This is the same stuff they put in nail polish remover. It makes the glue release in seconds with no residue and no side effects on the wood. To cut the circle, I'm using a router trammel jig. Basically, it's a long piece of plywood that pivots around a fixed center point. The router mounts to one end, the other end gets screwed down to what will become the exact center of the table. And then you just make passes with an upcut spiral bit, lowering the bit each time until you cut all the way through the piece. Now here's the catch. My slab is a little over 2 inches thick. The bit I'm working with only has about a 1-inch cutting length, so I can't make it through. Here's how you solve that. I make a few passes with the router, then I switch to a jigsaw to finish the cut. But I'm careful to stay just outside the routed channel, leaving a small lip of material all the way around. Once the waste drops free, I just chuck up a flush trim bit and let the bearing ride against that clean routed edge, and it trims away the lip perfectly, and now the entire thickness is dead flush. I feel like this is part of the magic of woodworking. You often don't need better tools or more expensive tools. You just need a solution that works with what you have. There's a long skinny crack running through this section right here, and this is where CA glue really shines. Cyanoacrylate is thin enough to wick deep into tight cracks, places where where epoxy would never reach. It runs deep down, cures in seconds, and then stabilizes the wood fibers. CA glue is the secret weapon in woodworking. You just got to keep this stuff on hand in your shop because it's perfect for small repairs. Now, to fill the seam, I'm using System 3 Quick Cure 5 epoxy, and the reasons why are it's already tinted black, it cures in about 5 minutes, and it comes in a caulk-style tube so you can really drive it deep into the crack. So here's how this goes. I fill this in stages. The first pass just seals off the bottom, the second pass builds it up, and the final pass just makes sure this crack is completely full. And then once it's cured, I sand everything flush and smooth, and now it's not a gap anymore. It's more like a deceptive but distinctive design line. To finish off the top, I run a handheld trim router around the edge with a subtle 1/8 inch radius roundover bit because I'm going for a more kind of refined look here. Now I could break the edge with sandpaper instead, but I really don't want to risk it looking unintentional or kind of sloppy. Now we got to make this thing really beautiful here. So I'm applying hard wax oil finish. This is Mr. Cornwall's Super Duper oil, and it's mixed with their cane colored pigment. And I'm just spreading this on with a plastic scraper and then scrubbing it in with a fine synthetic pad. The goal is to work the oil into the wood and leave the surface nice and buttery smooth. The reason I'm using this system is for color control at this stage. So Padauk's natural orange is very stunning, but UV light slowly makes it deeper and it fades that orange to brown over time. But a little pigment added to the finish helps absorb the UV exposure and it preserves the vibrancy longer without muddying the color. Frankly, there's no silver bullet with Padauk, it's just gonna change over time, but adding some UV protection helps it age very gracefully. And then I let it rest for a couple of hours and then I just buff it off. And then a couple of weeks later, I come back with a coat of Elixir Wax wood butter for additional surface protection, and I apply it the same way. Spread it on, scrub it in, and then buff it off. As for the base, I chose wenge for a contrasting color that keeps the high-end vibe of this table. I felt like the thick Padauk top was just begging for a clean, beefy base with some angles. And using the old furniture maker's trick, 3 legs means it'll never wobble. If you're looking at this and seeing possibility, we've got racks full of slabs down at our stores. We're constantly bringing in live edge pieces, different sizes, different personalities. This one was definitely on the funkier end of the spectrum, but we got plenty that are clean, balanced, and ready to go. So come see us at any of our Arizona locations. Check out the website, woodworkersource.com. There's a whole selection there too. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.